Hello, you are wonderful, wonderful people. Excuse for bad throat today, but here is another recipe, something a little bit different and a super way to make use of a leftover roast chicken or gammon or both. All this in under 30 minutes, including preparation. Extremely easy recipe. The best thing is you can use any combination, chicken or ham, both, or just chicken and mushroom, or even ham and mushroom. It really doesn't matter. Before I take you through the recipe, as a YouTuber building a community, please, your engagement means the world to me. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. What recipe do you want to see me make next? The first item we're going to do is mushrooms, carefully sliced mushrooms. Now you can use any you wish, but as this is a leftover dish, I went cheaper the better. Let's make an extremely cheap meal. I chose to use butter mushrooms. For the meat filling, we're going to tear apart any chicken that's left over from Sunday roast, making sure we use all the meat that's left on that the skeleton, I suppose. With or without skin, it's always your choice. And then we do the same with gammon. We slice it and then dice it, making sure that it is quite small so it heats quickly. Start by softening your mushrooms in a pan. I dry fry my mushrooms, and there is a reason for this, or even roast. They never need any oil, as it allows them to release dry cooking, should I say, allows them to release their excess moisture, concentrating the flavour, achieves a better texture and prevents them from becoming extremely soggy. Essentially, it cooks them in their own juices without added fat or liquid, and it creates a more intense mushroom taste and a desirable brown appearance instead of those murky grey ones you often see in cheap cafes. Once these are softened nicely, add your chicken and ham to the pan and again heat through. Once heated, add one pot, which is around 330ml of double cream, and bring that to a simmer before adding some Gran Padano or Parmesan cheese. To be honest, I could have done with adding a little bit more than this, or something to thicken the cream a little bit better, perhaps cooking it down. As you'll see, the pie filling is a little wet, although it still tasted absolutely delicious. At this point, we're now free to make a pie base. Or top of your choosing. If you want to see a full pie, go ahead and tune into my steak and kidney pie recipe uploaded a couple of weeks ago. This will show you how to create a delicious complete pie. For simplicity, I chose to make this just a puff pastry topped pie, completely baseless but extremely simple to make. We're going to cover the pie filling with a puff pastry lid before trimming the edges. We then coat this in egg wash so it comes out nice and golden after cooking, and we dot some more thyme and of course more parmesan on top of that, making sure that we create a couple of slits in there to make sure that the heat escapes and doesn't cause the puff pastry to balloon. We place this in a 200 degrees centigrade oven for around 20 minutes. As the filling is already hot, we just want to really get that puff pastry lid risen, and then we can take it out when it's lovely and a golden brown. And just look at that pie there, delicious golden puff pastry lid and a nice hearty warm filling. And that's a lot really, no fancy potatoes on this one, just some delicious baby potatoes boiled in water until the knife can pierce with ease. You could, if you wish, add butter to these, however there's plenty of sauce in the pie, there's no need for this. We're going to serve a generous helping of the pie with some of our delicious asparagus and some beautiful baby potatoes. Don't forget, whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the links to the right to see some more of my delicious recipes, and don't forget to give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. Last but not least, give me a comment below. What's on your plate this evening?